Hi, and welcome to Making Time. My name is Lennart, and I would like to show you how to build a micro house out of wood. Please do tag along for the ride.
This is where we left things last time, more or less, and now it's on to installing double glazing. So, first the internal support or frame. So that's what we have on the inside of the house for the double glazing to go against. Now, some sticky metallic tape, aluminium tape. This is to keep any eventual water from entering the frame. The water should just drain off the foil onto the skin or the house wrap and then evaporate out. It's extremely sticky. And can be temperamental to put on. The banging in the background is Jake working away up the bathroom, putting the finishing touches to the wall. This is a rubber sealant strip, or double-sided strip, so against which the window or the glazing will rest. It keeps the wind out and everything else. Allows a bit of play. I love the squeal that makes. Now the window can go in. Just a question of lifting it, putting it in. You should really be wearing gloves with this. I have to tell myself off for not doing that. A little block to keep it in place.
So now we have to make one of these, a windowsill. So onto the next window I've just installed, and I'll try and make something similar. So whilst we're at it, we may as well make two, one for the next window as well.
plane the bevel on there. I'm afraid this planer has seen better days, but it still does the job, at least some jobs. I really dislike sanding a lot, so I'll try and finish everything like with a hand plane, a good sharp hand plane. Leaves a great finish, doesn't need sanding, ready to carry on. Here I'm cutting a little rebate, which will be on the underside of the ledge and will stop any water from dripping down the siding. So it's a sort of a drip stop, which works very well. The gap between the ledge and the uprights of the frame is deliberate. It's a place where water often gathers, and that's where you get rot. If you leave a gap there, then the water will just run away and no rot will form. Just nailing the exterior frame in place to keep the glass in place.
That's window number 2. So just put some silicone edge there, bottom, so make sure everything is nice and watertight. Should be good to go, ready for painting. Let's call that good for now. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe down below, and I hope to see you again soon.